So learning how to blonde and lighten hair can honestly be the most traumatizing thing as a hairstylist. The reason being is because you're playing with fire. Let's be honest, you're working with lightener on hair and there is a potential for damage and breakage. So really understanding the factors of lift is what changed the game for me. I would say a typical blonde could complain about a couple of things. Number one is going to be tonal fading. Number two is brassiness. So this could be in case of hard water, for example. The last thing is going to be a lot of dryness. So K18 TripleBright is different than most purple shampoos because a lot of purple shampoos are only focused on depositing of that violet pigment. However, this one's going to do three things. It's going to remove, neutralize, and defend. First, it's going to remove the metals and minerals that cause the brassiness in the first place. Then it's going to neutralize those yellow pigments with violet technology. Lastly, it's going to defend against future attachment, so it's going to avoid the oxidation. It's also in an easy to apply foam. It removes up to 3 months of hard water exposure in one wash. TripleBright has really improved my services behind the chair for a couple of reasons. Number one is that the blonde doesn't come in as murky as it used to. So what that means is I'm not having to go in and strip it out with lightener, so the hair is actually healthier. The other reason, it's actually reducing my need for as much toner. And sometimes overuse of toners can also stack on top of each other and create a dullness. Typically, we wouldn't think of using a purple shampoo before highlighting. However, because we're basically removing those metals and minerals, we're gonna have a clean canvas before we start our color service. The other reason I love the K18 TripleBright, it keeps the blonde bright. And how many times have we created a tone in the blonde that actually makes the hair look darker? I've had clients that don't want me to tone their hair at all. This gives me the option of creating a raw blonde that's not just raw. There's still a tonality to it without it being overly toned. When it comes to recommending our client use at home, that's gonna maintain their hair in between our services in the salon. It's not just another purple shampoo. TripleBright gives you a brighter, longer lasting blonde.